Imagine you woke up this morning to a message from your specific person. It's been months since you spoke, but finally today's the day, and they're saying, I miss you. I've been thinking about you this whole time. You read that message, you put your phone down, and you breathe a sigh of relief. After all the work you've done, finally the day came. You got the message. You're here now. And you realize it actually wasn't that hard. It was actually easier than you thought. So how did you do it? How did you get here? You worked on yourself. You focused on your own energy. This is what happens when you learn to become magnetic, when you learn to magnetize your person to you. No forcing, no chasing, just pure attraction. This is the formula that I share inside my new tapping bundle, Magnetize Your SP. It has worked for me. It has worked for hundreds of people that have tried this tapping, and I know that it can work for you too. What I would love for you to know is that it really doesn't have to be complicated, and it's really not. It's not complicated. When I say working on yourself, what I mean is understanding who you are, knowing your patterns, becoming aware of them, and then doing the work to rewire them if there's something that is not in alignment. And it's so possible for you to become the best version of yourself right now. I can help you with that, but I also have a ton of free videos that you can binge watch and understand that this formula works for everybody. Like, it works for everyone. The law is law. This is universal law. Whatever you do, it's gonna lead you to the path of your desire. Once you create that thought in your head, you're already sending the message out into the universe that you want this desire. And so whatever you do from that moment onwards will lead you to your desire. How fast or how long you get the desire, now that's up to you. And that's all about releasing resistance, releasing your doubts, getting into the knowing state. This is why I love EFT tapping, because EFT tapping unblocks your energy in minutes. It helps you to get into that knowing state faster. Getting your manifestation is inevitable. Whatever you do, the path could look like A, B, C, D, or E. It's gonna lead you to the same path. It's gonna lead you to the same destination, So if you wanna learn how to receive your desires now and faster, check out EFT tapping. I have free tapping meditations at the top of my page, and I also have really powerful tapping bundles that will rewire and shift your identity from within so fast. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.